How to glue a Borika mount to a SIB. First, clean the underside of the mount pad and the boat surface using ethanol acetate or MEK. Remove any dirt or debris. Place the mount where you want it, then either trace around it with a pencil or tape down the stencil provided with a masking tape. In a well-ventilated area, mix the 2-part adhesive. We recommend using IBS's inflatable boat PVC adhesive at a ratio of 20 parts adhesive to 1 part hardener. If you're using the stencil, brush inwards, not outwards. Brushing outwards may push glue under the stencil, which makes it visible after you've applied the mount. After 5 minutes, check the glue with your finger. It should feel dry but tacky. Repeat the process for coats 2 and 3. After the 3rd coat, use a hairdryer or hot air gun to heat and activate the glue on both the boat and the mount. The glue will begin to change colour and bubble slightly. This means it's activating. Be careful not to overheat either the boat or the mount. Once heated, carefully align the mount and press it firmly in place. Avoid the stencil if you're using one. The glue will bond instantly, so take your time aligning. Remove the stencil once the mount is in place. Apply firm pressure, working from the centre outwards to ensure full contact. We recommend using a small roller or the handle of a screwdriver to press out any trapped air. We also suggest holding the mount firmly in place for about a minute. Now the Borika mount is fitted, clean off any excess glue with a clean cloth and ethanol acetate. Allow it to cure for 24 hours before fitting any accessories. Still need help? Visit our Knowledge Hub where you can find an in-depth article. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to send us an email, give us a call or drop us a message on social media. All the details are in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you on the water.